This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Chat and selecting the conversation or room where the task belongs. Once there, click the plus or more actions menu to reveal apps. Choose Google Tasks. You're doing this so the task stays linked to context and participants. After choosing tasks, press Add Task or Create and give the item a concise title. Make sure to include at least one actionable verb so assignees know what to do next. Once the task shell exists, fill in the important fields: a clear title, a brief description explaining the why, and a realistic due date. You can assign it by mentioning someone in the description or using assignment features if your task's integration supports assignees. Make sure to add context like links, attachments, or subtasks so they know next steps. This prevents back and forth and speeds completion. Once saved, the task will sync to the assignee's tasks list. To finish, save the task and confirm it shows up in Google Chat and the Tasks app. Once done, ping the assignee with an @mention or short message so they see it immediately. If the task doesn't appear, refresh the chat, reopen Tasks, and make sure the Tasks app has permission and is connected to your account. If problems persist, sign out and back in or remove and re-add the Tasks integration. That usually restores syncing and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.